This is absolutely crazy. I got these Nike SB Jordan 4s almost exactly 6 months ago, and I completely forgot I got them. My man was on a live stream, Trevor, and he was like, yo, they're available. The scratch offs is popping. I picked them up. They came in the mail. For some reason, I sat them down and forgot to open the box. Listen, you already know these things are absolutely sick. The boxes, vanilla, but the sneakers, whoo, these are absolutely fire. Sneakers, leather, materials, absolutely buttery. The navy accents are absolutely insane. The gum sole, the Nike on the bottom, whoo, and this is how you know it's official, the Nike SB on the back. Now listen, we know these are made with the extra premium materials so that they can last and stand up to your skate sessions. But let me tell you, these things are never hitting a skateboard ever. These are absolutely insane, and I'm so glad I picked them up and finally remembered I had them.